Shenzhen EEL Battery Company Limited is a specialized company which dedicated to R&D production and sale of LiFePO4 battery pack energy storage battery system, LiFePO4 cell DIY battery box products. After several years of rapid development, we have accumulated core technology and comprehensive solution for power battery products. Meanwhile, we have obtained the approval and praise of customers from all over the world. Most of our battery models have MSDS, UN38.3 CE, IEC62619 UL1642 certificates. Depending on professional R&D engineers, enthusiastic sales team, and reliable after-sales service, our battery products are widely used in the field of off-grid solar power systems, solar street light, RV, electric motorcycle and scooter, e-bike, golf cart, outdoor power supply. EEL, dedicated to renewable energy system integration and distribution, can provide one-stop solution for all kinds of battery models, such as 12-volt, 24-volt small RV battery, 48-volt home energy storage, and 240-volt high-voltage system. Our main goal is to provide competitive and safe battery products for customers. We also pay attention to environmental protection and take social responsibility, encourage people to use green renewable energy, replace obsolete lead-acid batteries. We are in the midst of global energy revolution. Everyone should do something to protect the earth. We look forward to make great achievements together with worldwide customers. Believe in us, EEL will be your trustworthy partner in battery business.